Hello Tritons, my name is Chris Ramirez, the proud new principal of Pacifica High School. Prior to me joining this Triton family, I was at Channel Islands High School for 2 years where I was an assistant principal. During my first year, I really planned to get to know the staff, the community, and our students. Mr. Lawrence left a legacy here that I would like to continue. I've been in education for now 17 years. I really want the community, the staff, and the students to know that I'm a team player. I'm all about students, becoming a part of the community. I want the staff, the students, and the community to know that I am a Triton already, and that I'm all about making students successful, breaking down their barriers, finding out how they can be successful, and then along with my staff and my team here, targeting those student needs. As students and families come back, we're gonna open our schools and our doors to them. We're gonna accept them with open arms, letting them know that they can feel safe and welcome here at the school. We have great activities planned for them during preview week, where the students can come back, get to know the school. For those sophomores and or freshmen, brand new to the school, we have activities where they could do scavenger hunts, team building activities, get to know the clubs, the academies, and the community and the school. It's a beautiful school that we want the students to take advantage of, become a part of the Triton family, and really become a member of the school community.